Welcome back. Let's discuss about from and of methods that are available in JavaScript arrays. From and of methods in JavaScript arrays help you to create arrays from other data structures. In this case, we have a string with hello, and when you say array.from string, it will take the individual characters from that string and create an array out of this. The output of that looks like with HELLO created out of that string iterable.
Array.of is going to create an array from its arguments. If you see, we have given arguments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you say array of with these arguments, it is going to create a array out of this. Let's do a quick demo of from and of. Let's demonstrate the from method. Declare a string hello world. Then let's declare a string array dot from string and display the same thing in console. Let's do a quick debugging on this. If you observe the value of the string array, it is going to show an array with hello world. In summary, array.from takes iterable as an input and try to create an array out of that. Let's do a quick demo of array.of. So let's create a numbers array from array.of, and when you try to print it to the console, it is going to create the array out of all the arguments given here. Let's do a quick debugging on this. If you observe the output of the numbers, it's an array created out of the arguments pass. That's it for the from and of. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.